Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Wonders DevOps YouTube channel. Learn DevOps, earn knowledge. So today I'm going to explain about how to install Java on Windows 11 and how to set up environment variable. First we have to check whether Java is installed or not. So let me check it by using Java hyphen version. So Java is not installed. So now I'm going to browser and search for Java download. Here you can see Oracle Java downloads. Go to Oracle website, Java downloads, and here you can see the latest version is available Java 23.21. Okay, so now I'm going to download the Java for Java 23 for my Windows 11. So I'm going to download exe file. So it's going to download a exe file. We can execute it and we can install the Java. If you are using Linux, then you can go for the Linux based upon your requirement, like compressed archive. If you want to tar file, you can use tar. If you want to download zip file, you can use zip file, like that, and Mac OS also as per your requirement. So currently now I'm explaining about how to install in Windows 11. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more AWS and DevOps videos for free. So it will take time. Okay, now JDK 23 is installed. You can click on this. Yes. So you can click on next. It will take the by default program file Java JDK 23. Next. So Java 23 is successfully installed. You can click on next step for if you want to documentation. So I'm going to close it. Now again I'm going to use the same command. It is still showing as Java command not working. So Java hyphen version. See, now it is showing. But to work it, like if you want to execute Java programs, you have to set the environment variables. So for that one, first you have to go to your path of Java where it is installed. Java installed in this one. Go to JDK bin and copy this particular path. Search for environment variable. Edit the system environment variables. You can see here environment variable. Click on environment variable and system variable. Under system variables, click on path. Click on this is the path. You can double click and new paste the path you have saved it and you can click on OK. So the path is now it is done. Where it is, if you click path again, you can see here Java path I have set there. So now you can run the Java codes. You can execute the Java code and you can see the outputs. That is how you can set the environment variables and we can install the Java. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more AWS, DevOps and other tech videos. Thank you.